garlic butter steak bites with a side of roasted truffle potatoes. This recipe right here got me in a chokehold. My fellow big back people, unite. Let's get into this recipe. So we are going to be using some baby potatoes. You want to just slice them up just like so. Of course, you could use larger potatoes and cut them down accordingly. Once you have them sliced up, you're going to go ahead and transfer them into a mixing bowl so we can get them seasoned up. We are going to be using some truffle salt in that seasoning blend, so you definitely want to get you some. Go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil onto your potatoes, and once we have them oiled up, go ahead and give them a luxurious massage as we always do. Go ahead and toss them up, and we are gonna season them up proper. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course, like always, it will be listed down in the description box for you to reference to. So make sure your potatoes are well coated up just like this. Toss them up, and once they are ready like this, you're gonna get them in your air fryer. You're gonna load them in your air fryer tray, and we're gonna let them go at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about, let's say, 15 minutes total, or until they are golden brown. Do keep an eye on it so you do not burn it. Some air fryers run a little hotter than others. Now we're gonna get to that steak. We are using some New York strip. This is about 2 pounds. You could use ribeye, you could use any cut of steak that you prefer, but for this recipe we are using some New York strip, and this is really simple right here. You just want to slice them into some bite-sized pieces just like so, and once we have them all sliced up, I'll show you what to do next. Now we gotta season that steak up proper. On the screen again, seasoning blend is right there for you. Make sure your steak bites are well coated up just like so. And once we have that taken care of, we're gonna move on and get our cast iron pan nice and hot. When I say nice and hot, I mean smoking hot, till it's literally smoking as it is on the screen. I am using a little bit of beef tallow. You can use just traditional oil if you want, and get your steak bites right on in. You want to get a nice beautiful sear on each side. It takes no time at all, maybe just a couple of minutes or so. Be careful not to burn it because your pan is super hot. Flip it over, make sure the other side has a beautiful sear like the first one, and once that second side is good, you're gonna turn that heat down to about a medium, and we're gonna toss in the rest of the good stuff to make sure these steak bites are absolutely amazing. To begin, we're gonna toss in some butter. You want to melt that butter down. We're gonna toss in some garlic cloves. We're gonna toss in some rosemary, and what you want to do is just grab a spoon and just mix everything together. Okay, you're gonna ask me, what is the cook time right here? The cook time will vary depending on how you like your steak. Some people like it rare, medium rare, well done, medium. Everybody is different as far as how they like their steak. So the cooking time right here will vary. I like mine's about a medium, so I cooked mine's accordingly. Once your steak is pretty much cooked to your desired temperature, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the pan right here as we finish off the potatoes, because they should be ready to go right about now. Let me show you how they look. They are crispy, they are beautiful, they are looking amazing. Your eyes are not deceiving you right at this moment. Go ahead and get those crispy potatoes into your mixing bowl, and we're gonna drizzle a little bit of truffle oil on these bad boys, And once we have that truffle oil on them, you know we got to hit it up with a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, baby. And I did add a little bit of freshly chopped parsley as well. I forgot to include that clip, but there's some parsley in here. Give that a toss, and wow, 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 these are beautiful. These are delicious. These are amazing. When I said this recipe got me in a chokehold, please believe me, this right here is just straight gas, straight pressure. You are ready to plate up this beautiful dish right here, just like so. Man, this is a 10 out of 10. You're gonna try it again and again and again. You're gonna have this recipe on repeat. Trust and believe me. All right, thank you all for watching. Make sure you give this a try. Double back to this video, comment down below, let me know how you love it. Let me know how you love this video. Leave me a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will be sure to see you all on the next one. I thank you all for watching. Deuces.